Joining us now is the CEO of Sotheby's, Charles Stewart. Charles, thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for having me on, and happy to provide a relief from the COVID news flow.
Well, not so fast, because I am curious to hear what 2020, now that it's in the rearview mirror, what that meant for the art world in terms of some of those changes and some of those transformations that we just teased to.
Well, I think that art, in fact, did provide a very welcome distraction and form of solace for a lot of our collectors during the pandemic period. That continues today, of course. But likewise, our business was heavily changed by technology and innovation that we were able to bring to bear. So we went, while art is fundamentally physical, we were able to dramatically expand our audience by using all kinds of digital tools. In fact, broadcasting our auctions live in a digital-first format as well.
So is there always going to be a place now for some of these major art festivals like Art Basel or some of the other events we normally see through the year that have been canceled? Or do you think increasingly we're going to see more and more work, more and more sales done online?
Well, for us, about 80% of all of our bids last year were online. And in our view, once you see that kind of technology adoption and change in almost any industry, it doesn't really go back. So I do think that this is here to stay. Of course, everyone is looking forward to physical experiences and being able to enjoy a work of art or a luxury object in person. So I think what we'll see in 2021 is a little bit of a hybrid, which is the best of the adaptation from last year, coupled with the reemergence of physical experiences as the restrictions hopefully ease.
So what is your expectation for valuations this year, especially given the fact that we do continue to have this low interest rate environment?
I think that we look at art really as a passion category more than as a pure investment category.
Okay.
But that said, I do think that valuations of the things we sell have been supported by the dynamics we've seen in the markets. We set a number of artist records last year. I think we'll continue to see that this year. And certainly low interest rates, inflation risk, potential of weak dollar, all these things are things that generally, historically, have been things that have supported the art market, as well as, of course, the overall buoyancy of the equity markets around the world. All
right, we have to leave it there. But Charles Stewart, thanks for joining us today.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.